Hi, Aaliyah. Thanks for sending the questions. Now, I know that these are marked assignments, so I'm not going to sort of give you the final answer, but I will show you how to find the answer. When you're answering a question about the null hypothesis, then keep in mind that the way that you phrase the null hypothesis is always using an equals statement. And so in this case, you want your mean of your population and your mean of your sample to basically be equal. And remember, in statistics, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're exactly the same value. It just means that they're both in the normal range. And so when you're looking at your 6 choices for your answer, you can go through and eliminate anything that doesn't use the word equal, so lower than and things like that. So you're going to be able to eliminate A and D from your answers, and you have the other 4 to choose from. So the rest of what you need from the information in the question is that the population is 1,200, half of the 2,400 students, and that the mean of your population is 80%. And so when you're looking through your answers, those are your key things that you're looking for. You've got a population of 1,200, and you have a mean that's given in the question of 80%. And so I'll let you sort through those answers and choose the one that seems most appropriate. For the alternate hypothesis, when you are phrasing the alternate hypothesis, you are using one of 3 different statements. One could be that they're not equal, one could be greater than, or one could be less than. So you're going to be looking for one of those 3 statements when you're trying to identify what the alternate hypothesis would be. So again, just using process of elimination, if you see the word equal in any of these answers, then you can pretty much go through and get rid of those, and then you can choose from the remaining 2 answers. Again, our population is 1,200, our mean is 80%, and so using that information, as well as the fact that we just have B and D to choose from here, I think I'll leave it up to you to make the appropriate choice. So for the other questions that you sent me, I'm going to break them up into smaller videos, so I'll send you a separate video for those questions also.